Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. Lily was a kind and curious girl who loved to explore the world around her. One day, while playing in the park, she found a small key lying on the ground. She picked it up and examined it closely. The key was old and rusty, but it looked important. Lily searched around the park to see if anyone had dropped the key, but there was no one around. She decided to take the key home and ask her parents about it. When she got home, she showed the key to her parents. They were surprised to see it and asked Lily where she had found it. Lily explained that she had found it in the park and wanted to know what it was for. Her parents examined the key and tried it in every lock in the house, but it didn't fit anywhere. They told Lily that it was probably a key to a very old and special place. Lily was excited and wanted to find out where the key belonged. She decided to go on an adventure to find the lock that matched the key. She packed a backpack with some snacks, a water bottle, and a map of the town. Lily searched all over town for a lock that matched the key. She went to the old library, the abandoned factory, and even the local museum, but she couldn't find the right lock. She was starting to feel discouraged and tired. Just when she was about to give up, she saw a strange-looking door in an alleyway. It was old and rusted, and there was a keyhole in the center. She wondered if the key she found would fit in the lock. Lily inserted the key into the lock, and with a click, the door opened. Inside, she found a dusty old room with a large chest in the center. She opened the chest and found a treasure trove of old books, paintings, and jewelry. Lily was overjoyed and realized that the key she had found was the key to a hidden treasure room. She knew that the treasure belonged to someone special and decided to return it to its rightful owner. After doing some research, she discovered that the treasure belonged to a famous author who had passed away many years ago. She found his family and returned the treasure to them. The author's family was surprised and grateful for Lily's honesty and kindness. They thanked her for returning the treasure and told her that the author had left a note inside the chest. The note read, "True treasure is not found in gold or silver, but in the hearts of those who possess it." Lily understood the moral of the story. The true value of something is not always found in its material worth, but rather in the meaning and memories attached to it. She was proud of herself for doing the right thing, and returned home with a new perspective on what it means to treasure something.